So we're here at CES 2014 at the Netgear booth, and we're talking about wireless routers with David Henry.
Good afternoon.
So, wireless has been around for a while. People are using either A, B, or N technology, and you have a new product out now that looks pretty darn cool.
Yeah, we found out that most people out there today have over 6 devices on their wireless network at home.
Only 6?
Over 6. Over 6. And when you have more than 6 devices, that means you got a lot of people doing a lot of things. And when you have a lot of people doing a lot of things, you need a really high-performance wireless network. So we've announced our newest wireless router called the Nighthawk.
So the Nighthawk, I mean, it looks pretty fantastic. I mean, the industrial design of this is way different than anything you see on the market today.
Absolutely. The first thing you notice, of course, is the sleek looks and the antennas. One of the things we did is we put a very high-performance processor. It's the only 1 gigahertz dual-core processor of all the routers on the market today. Very high-performance power amplifiers, USB 3.0 in the front for performance, for reading and writing fast to the hard disks, and it's just a beast in terms of wireless performance and range.
So talk a bit about the performance. So this uses 802.11ac.
Yes, 802.11ac is the latest wireless technology. After B, G, and N comes AC, and it's optimized for 3 applications: gaming, streaming, and mobility, because that's what's driving the market today.
So AC versus N, what is the bandwidth increase from from a normal everyday household application?
Sure, so it's up to 3 times faster than 11N. So for example, this is AC up to 1.9 gigabit per second. Much faster than your old 11N devices.
Yeah.
And those AC devices are coming, starting with phones and tablets, the MacBook Air, but you'll see a whole host coming in 2014, and probably at this show.
So AC does a lot more than just speed increases. So can you talk a bit about beamforming and what that does?
Yeah, so beamforming solves the #1 pain point that customers have today, and that's wireless coverage, wireless range. People have all these devices and they're using them in places that they never had before. You're streaming video in your backyard, right? You're doing internet research in your attic or even in your bedroom. Now you're noticing these dead spots that you've always had them, but now you're noticing them. What beamforming does is that the wireless signal beams directly at you, wherever you are with your device, to gives you a better signal and actually increases the effective range and especially the performance at long range. So you don't have those flaky drops with our beamforming technology.
So we talked about the speed increase, but what is the range increase?
Yeah, the range increases, we don't quantify it. However, we'll say we will cover your house. How about that?
Fantastic. So what else is great about this device? I mean, it looks fantastic. The specs are off the charts.
Yep.
When is it available?
It's available now. It won the CES Innovations Award. And one thing I didn't mention is that it's got a whole host of software features, the most important of which is called the Netgear Genie. The Netgear Genie does just what it sounds like. It makes your wish our command. Keeps your network up and running so you can set it and forget it.
Fantastic. CES 2014 with Netgear.